us start discussing the paper. Right, first question. Is any volunteer to read the first question?
Teacher, can I?
Yeah, Nitin, please.
Select in order the autotroph and heterotroph.
Yeah. Autotroph and heterotroph. Autotroph are who? The one who can?
Produce.
Yes. Yeah, the one who can produce their own food or not?
Can produce.
The one who can produce their own food. So mainly what consists of these autotroph organisms, Angela?
Miss, I couldn't hear you. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah. No, I asked Angela. Normally, what kind of organisms are consist of these autotroph organisms?
Miss, green plants.
Very nice. Green plants. Don't say plants. Okay? Don't say plants. It should be green plants, right? All right. So find the answer, Nitu.
The third one, teacher.
Third one. Huh? All right. Paddy and grasshopper. Grasshopper is heterotroph. That means which cannot produce their own food. So they depend on the food. They depend on the food on some what? The green plants, or they have to depend, or they have depend on directly or indirectly with the plant. All clear? First question, solution. Sanaya? The first is easy, no? Second one, please. Saruksha, second one. Quickly. Yes, Saruksha?
Select the response which only the fossil fuels.
Right. What it includes the fossil fuels. Yes, find the what do you choose? Sharukshan. Yes. Sharukshan,
Coal, diesel, and kerosene oil.
you know? Right. Sarukshan selected the fourth answer for that. What do you say, students? Is that correct?
Yes, teacher, correct. Yes, teacher.
Yeah, that's very correct. So now can you please tell me why the first answer is wrong? Why the first one so wrong? It has coal, firewood, coconut shell. So why? Why is not a fossil fuel in there? Coconut shells. Yes. Coconut shells is not a fossil fuel. So second one, stroke of and diesel. So what is not a fossil fuel?
Stroke off.
Yeah. Third one. So third one, what is not a fossil fuel?
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil. Very good. So answer is fourth. Very good, Sarusha. Number 3, Sanaya. Yes. Number 3.
Which of the following produces energy?
Okay, Sanaya. Continue.
Which of the following produces energy due to the reactions between minute atoms? Nuclear power?
Yeah. Very good. Nuclear power. Actually, I said it before. The nuclear power is, you can't even think how much power is contained is that. So how this nuclear power gained? It's just from an atom, right? So from this atom, we produce the nuclear power. So answer is number 3. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the fourth section, children. Sakuli. Fourth one, Sakuli.
Select the appliance that converts sunlight into electricity. Number 1.
Okay.
Solar panel.
Solar panels. Select appliance that converts sunlight into electricity. Of course, solar panel. What about the dynamo conversion? Nino? What about the dynamo conversion? Can I know, please? Dynamo के කොහොමද energy conversion එක හිතුව?
Produces electricity by moving a magnet inside the coil.
All right. So can I give the brief energy conversion equation, Ashant? Dynamo? We give what? We are pedaling the bicycle. So what we give by pedaling?
வாஷிங் மிஷின் எல்லாம் இருக்கு ஆனா இருக்க வேண்டிய ஒண்ணு மட்டும் இல்ல அது
Which I cannot hear properly. Can you tell me? Energy.
Yeah. Sure. I asked and Ashwan, what is the conversion of the dynamo? What is the energy conversion of dynamo? No idea? No?
It produces electricity by rotating. No idea.
Rotating. Can I have a nice name other than rotating, Angela? Angela may know. Yeah, okay. Your rotating power is good, Ashwan, but the actually scientific term is kinetic energy. Okay, we are pedaling. So when we are pedaling the bicycle, we give the kinetic energy to the dynamo, and in the dynamo, it converts it to the electrical energy. Okay, that's the simplest thing. Kinetic energy අපේ දෙනවා. Yeah, produce electrical energy. All right. Solar water heater. Solar water heater. Can I know, Sanaya, what is the energy converts there? How energy converts in solar water heater? Sakuli? Sakuli or Sanaya? Anyone? Sanaya, if you know, you can tell. No. Sakuli dannadda?
Teacher, can I tell? Teacher, I
We'll
know.
give a chance. We'll give a chance to one. Sakuli or Sanaya? Anyone? Saif, you know? Darling. Saif, dannawada how to convert the energy in solar water heater? Saif, you all know?
When the water is heated, when the sunlight actually comes to the water, then the water gets
Heated. So that's okay. But what is the energy, darling? Solar energy too? Yes, Ashwan? What is the energy?
Solar energy to water. So no solar energy to heat.
Water
energy.
wala mona heat? Heat energy. Come on. Solar energy to heat energy. It converts sunlight to heat energy while using the solar water heater. Okay. So that's easy. Okay, right. Okay, next question. I'll give the next question to Saif. Yes, Saif, find me the answer for question number 5. Question number 5, please.
Which of the following?
Saif, darling, are you there?
Which of the following biological activity conforms the continuity of life?
Yeah. Which of the following biological activity confirms the continuity of life?
Reproduction.
Just take your pet, just take your ones. But this is done as continuity of your life. So what is the biological activity?
Growth.
Saif, what do you say? Sarukshan said it is growth. Yeah, sorry?
Reproduction.
Very good. Reproduction. Without reproduction, the younger ones will not be there anymore. So the reproduction is the biological activity, Sarukshan, which confirms the continuity of our life. Not only our, just animals, plants, and all. Get it, Sarukshan?
Yes, teacher.
Right. 6th question. Ashwant?
Okay, teacher.
Teacher, that screen is not visible like big for me. It's smaller.
It's smaller there.
Now
Can't
I
you
got okay. Now okay. Now
Alright.
which gas identified?
Yeah, it's very easy, no? You know the practical and it's easy. Carbon dioxide. Angela, 7th one.
The ability of a substance to make thin wires when drawn is named as ductility.
Ductility. Angela, can you name a substance we can use as a wire making thing?
Miss copper.
Copper. Yeah, good answer. Right. Angela, can I know about the texture thing? What do you know about this texture?
Miss feel of surface rough or smooth.
All right. We have only 2 choices like you feel somewhat smooth or otherwise rough. Right. Yeah, what about the malleability, Sanaya? What is malleability, Sanaya?
The ability of a substance to
Make what? Make what? Ductility is make the wires, thin wires. What is malleability? Smooth. Sheet. Is it correct, students?
Yes,
Sakuli?
teacher. Malleability is to be drawn in thin sheet without breaking by hammering malleable.
Yeah, very good, very nice. So can I know examples, Anaya? From malleability substance, any examples, you know? Thin sheets. Very nice, good. What do we call brittleness, Saruksha? What we call brittleness, darling? Sarukshan, this is for you. Brittleness? Nitu? What we call brittleness?
Material to break under small force.
Yeah, materials which can break by at least a small force. So that is called brittleness. So number 7 answer is number 3, ductility. Let's move on to the number 8. Yes, Saif? Number 8 question. Find us the answer. Select.
Select the response which includes only the mode of
Precipitation. In the sense precipitation, you have to know that is what. Otherwise, you can't find the answer for this question. Let's write. Okay.
The fourth
Let's
one,
see. Fourth one. Rain, sleet, hail. Good. Good attempt. Yeah. Sakuli, find the answer for the 8th one. Sakuli, what is the answer for the 8th one? Modes of precipitation. What are the responses? Fourth one. Very good. Precipitation in the sense, children, the what we call normally when the water cycle happens, what they do, they have evaporate all the water stuffs and get together and form clouds like things. So after some times it will come back. So this is called precipitation. It will come back as a rain, as a sleet or hail. Answer number 4. Very correct. Thank you, Saif. Number 9. Very easy, no? I'll find the answer. Which of the following natural disaster doesn't occur within a very short period of time? Within a very short period of time. What do you think? No, it's not that much easy. Angela.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
What is the answer for 9th one, Angela? Which is doesn't occur in the short time period.
Miss, it's drought.
Very correct. Drought. Drought is like natural disasters. Children, you know it should have some duration, right? Okay. It may cause by the less rainfall. It may cause by the somewhat tree cutting like things. So all these things get together and this drought like natural disaster occur. But if they take a cyclone, flood and landslide, this can occur at any time, just instantly, right? Number 10. Sakuli. Number 10, Sakuli.
select the choice which mentions the district's frequent landslides.
Yeah. What districts are there?
3.
Number 3. Okay, we'll go from 1, Sakuli. Why you reject the number 1? Find me the reason. Why you reject the number 1? Sakuli? Sakuli is not reason. Now children, when you're learning science, it's not needed to hard work. We are telling what? It's not you want to do the study hard, but you have to be smart, right? Just take the first answer. Hambantota badulla deniyaya. You all know Hambantota is a... Yeah, Ashwin? First one is why...
Because Hambantota doesn't have any high place like mountains or highlands or something.
So, can you
there's no
explain
chance
more why Hambantota is... Yeah, there's no...
chance for occurring landslide in Hambantota because it has no highlands.
Yeah, it has no more highlands as well. It's very dry zone. Is that so? Yes, it's very dry. So how can we have the landslide in Hambantota? You can directly reject that in Hambantota thing. Let's move on to the number 2. Deniyaya Kalutara Kalambu. Kalambu. So have you ever heard the Kalambu has occurred the landslide?
No, teacher.
No, never. No. So
It has no highlands.
highland like thing. So you can just reject the answer number 2. Let's move on to the 4. Nuarelia Putlam Gol. Why you reject the number 4? Again the Putlam is there, no? Putlam is in the northwest. It's in the northwestern province. And that is very dry zone again as the Hambantota.
Teacher,
Getting?
and goal.
Goal is same, no? Goal වලත් එහෙම ගොඩක්ම අඩුයි. So you can easily reject the 4th one as well. So obviously the answer is number 3. Okay, good. Let's move on to the number 11. Okay, here you have the appliance, electrical appliance or the circuit you can tell. Nitu, number 11.
What could be observed? Observe, teacher, this part is not very clear, right?
Not clear. What could be the observation obtained in order in appliances X is exposed to light? දැන් මොකක්ද යාලා අහන්නේ? What should be the observation if the X appliances are exposed to light? Then X එක මොකක්ද කියලා first you have to tell me, Nithu. What is X is?
It's a teacher, LDR, light dependent
Light dependent resistor. Very good. Light dependent resistor. So when this light dependent resistor is exposed to the light, what can happen in this? You know.
If light is there, the light increase, and if there's no light, the light decrease.
You are saying like that. Very good. Actually, this X is what we just forget about this life dependent thing. What is this X is? It's a resistor. No, it's a resistor. So resistor in the sense, children, it's an obstacle to flow the current through the circuit. It's an obstacle to flow the current through the circuit. So this resistor is somewhat somewhat special, right? The light, when light comes onto this resistor, what happens? Light dependent, no? Nitu, ko නැද්ද?
Sorry, teacher, I had a connection issue, teacher.
Nitu, are you there?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Is increase. This is so
Teacher, your sound is not clear. Teacher, your connection is bad.
Yes, teacher, you're stuck.
Teacher? Teacher, are you there?
Teacher. Teacher. Miss, I can't hear you.
Yes, teacher, I can't hear you either.
I can't hear you either too, teacher.
Student,
Teacher, your sound is not clear.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, miss.
All right, students. Sorry for the inconvenience occurred. I hope now you all can hear me properly. Am I correct? Angela, now can you hear me properly?
Yes, miss.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Very good. Now, at last we were in the question number 11, right? Right. We'll discuss the question number 11. So, as I said, children, before, this light dependent resistor, when the light comes onto this resistor, the resistance of this resistor is, or the obstacle of the resistor is decreases. So, we can, the light flow can conduct the light through the circuit better. But if we keep under in a dark place, what happens? The resistance will be increased, or the light flow is very decreases because there's a huge obstacle. So light cannot go that much to the bulb. So what happens is the first answer is the correct answer. Brightness increases when light exposed, but when it keeps in under dark, it decreases the brightness. Is that correct all? Is that correct
Yes,
all?
teacher.
Yes, miss.
Very good. Number 12. Who's going to find? Saruksha, number 12.
Teacher, me?
Saruksha, darling.
Okay, teacher.
Saruksha, are you there?
Teacher?
Yes. Find the answer for the 12th one, Saruksha. Select the response. Come on. Select the response which correctly describe the difference between plants and animals. Okay. The 12th question asking the difference of the plants and animals.
Teacher,
Right? Yeah.
the plants are heterotrophic and no. Plants show unlimited growth, animals show limited growth.
Of course. Plants show unlimited growth. That means they grow throughout their lifestyle. But the animals' growth is very limited. It's about 20s like. So that's the answer number 3. Why? Let's see why the first answer is wrong. Yes, Sarukshan, why the first is wrong?
Because the animals are also living things.
Living things. Can you add more living things except plants and animals?
No,
The
teacher.
living.
Plants and animals are living things.
Yeah. Can you add one more example?
Sorry, teacher, I cannot hear you.
Can you add one more example for living things except plants and animals? Don't know? First lesson, grade 6 first lesson. Sorry, can you add one more example for living things?
Fish.
Come on, it's an animal. I'm asking instead of the addition of animals and plants. Ashwat,
Yes, teacher.
can you add one more example for living things other than animals and plants?
Microorganisms.
Very good. Microorganisms. These are main 3 living things we are going to learn. in our grade 6 first lesson. Sarukshan mataka nadda? Okay, number 2 we rejected because why? Plants are always heterotrophic, not always. The green plants are normally heterotrophic, but animals are always autotrophic. Green plants are always autotrophic. Most of the animals are heterotrophic. Okay. Number 3 is the answer. Why we reject 4? Plants show locomotion, animals do not show locomotion. Both show locomotion because locomotion is a characteristics of a living thing. Can you please, shall we recall what are the other 4 characteristics of living things? One is locomotion. Yeah. Nutrition. Growth.
Reproduction.
Reproduction.
Respiration.
Respiration. These are the main 5 things. Yeah. Growth, reproduction, respiration, nutrition, and locomotion are main 5 characteristic features of the living beings. 13th one. Yeah, Saruksha.
We can tell locomotion as movement also, no, teacher?
Yeah. When we are discussing the movement with the plants cannot locomote. That's correct. But they are saying plants show locomotion. No, plants only show the movements. They can't locomote. Locomotion means what? From one place to the other place it goes. Plants can't go. Plants only do the locomotion, not only do the movements only. Get it?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Number 14. No, not the 14, 13. Itu?
Ability to do work is known as
Ability to do work is known as what? Come on. I ask you to by heart this thing. Ability to do work is known as what?
energy.
Energy. Ashwant?
Energy.
Energy. Very good. 14th question. Angela?
Select instance in which microorganisms are not useful.
Right.
Miss
That is
separating
the answer.
Fourth one.
Sorry?
Miss the fourth one.
Fourth one. Separating. What is the word there? Separating.
Flowers.
Okay, we'll find one by one. Huh? First one. Decomposition of fecal matter. Of course, microorganisms are going to do this thing. Number 2, producing biogas. Of course, microorganisms involves. Causing diseases. Of course, microorganisms involves. So the fourth one is the answer that is not involved in a microorganism. Right? 15th one. Ashwant. Ashwant, 15th one.
Select the feature which is common only for gases, no definite volume.
No definite volume. So then what about the volume thing in gas, Ashwant?
It has no definite volume. It spreads everywhere and it increases or decreases.
What about the shape?
Shape, it doesn't have a definite shape.
Why it's not common only for gases? The definite volume?
Because teacher, all gases have no definite volume, right?
No, you want to, that's why this question is important. This looks like easy, but somewhat tricky. You have to compare with this Ashwant and solid and liquid things. Now they're asking select the feature which is common only for gases. Now take the solid. How about the solid volume? Is it fixed or not?
Solid volume, it's fixed. Liquid volume also, it is fixed. But for
Fixed.
gases, it's not fixed, right?
It's not fixed. Very good. So that's why we removed the first one. Gas also not having the definite shape. But water also not water. Liquid also not having the definite shape. They take the shape of the container. So that is not a common thing for gas only. It has both in gases and liquids. So we finally choose the number 2.
Yes, teacher. That's also it shows.
Children, what about the 15th one? Did you select the number 2? Did you select the number 2?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we'll find last. Okay, good. 16th one. What is the percentage of water found in seas and oceans? Very easy. Seas and oceans. Huh?
97.71.
97.71. 71. Hemansi Lakne Ashwant. Ashwant name Sarukshan.
Teacher, in our book, there's 97 point.
Yeah, in
Seven-
your book, what is it?
97.7.
97.7.
Yes, teacher. Like that's something. Wait, teacher. See.
Yeah, so what is the nearest answer you can hold, Nitu? What is the nearest answer you can take as the answer?
97.41.
41 is best, no? We'll select the 97.41 as the answer for the 16th one, number 3. 17th question. Which of the following is an application of light in a medical field? Yes, Sakuli. What is the application in medical field? Find the application. Medical field.
Third one.
Third one. For illuminating ground. Yeah.
Teacher, can I?
Sakuli. What do you say? They are asking the medical field, darling. Children, what do you say as the third answer for the 17th one?
Second one for heart operation.
Second one, right? Because they are asking about the medical field. Other applications are correct, but they are mentioning it as the medical field. So you have to find application in medical field. Answer number 2. For heart operations, 18. The correct series of color change observed in lightning the filament bulb. Yeah, this is very known thing. Yes, come on. White and known where we should
Red,
put
orange, yellow, white.
What?
Red, orange, yellow, white.
Yeah, first you have to start it from what? You know, the white is the last color you can see in the filament bulb. So, number 1 is removed. Now you all have only 3 things. Now, what is the thing which comes first?
Red.
Red, orange, yellow, white. The intensity of the light is decreases. අර light එකේ තියෙන තද ගතිය අඩු වෙගෙන ගිහින් තමයි මේ white color එක එන්නේ. So the answer number is number 2. Saif, get it? Saif, are you there? Saif not there.
I get it. I get it, teacher.
Right. Good, darling. Saif, can you please find out the 19th question answer? 19. Answer for 19.
So,
Oh. Which one, darling?
one.
Sorry, I can't hear you properly.
Second one.
Second one. You are saying second one. Okay, we'll see. You can observe in there's a diagram. Can anyone tell me what is this diagram is? What is this?
It's a simple cell.
Yeah, very good. It's a simple cell. What are these rectangles?
Zinc and copper sheets.
Zinc and copper sheets. So the liquid thing is they mentioned as
Sulfuric acid.
sulfuric acid. Why they took dilute sulfuric acid, Saruksha? They can have the concentration sulfuric. No. Why? Why? That's why they put dilute sulfuric acid. They can have
Because it has
because it has
electrons.
very good. The water also has electrons, so that's why they took dilute sulfuric instead of concentration sulfuric. Right? It's very known. Now let's see what is the observation you can make while using this simple cell. Now I ask you to keep it in your mind. 3 things. Those are the weaknesses of simple cell. Can I know the weaknesses, Angela? One weakness of the simple cell, please.
Miss, the zinc sheet would dissolve quickly.
All right. Zinc sheet is going to dissolve while using this thing. That is one of the weakness. Nitu, tell me a second one. Another weakness of having this.
Only we can use for a simple time.
Very good. Only you can use for a short time period and very short brightness or the intensity of light. Very good. Two weaknesses found. One more weakness. Who can tell the one more weakness?
Miss, can I
Sorry.
tell?
Sorry. Yes, please.
Miss, we can't take it from one place to another.
Very good. It's very hard to take from one place to another because this is diluted sulfuric. It's an acid. It can harm, right? So it's very dangerous and harmful, and it's very difficult to transport this kind of simple cells from one place to another. So these are the weaknesses you can make using this simple cell. Now we'll find the answer. So what could be the observation in this diagram, in this setup?
Dissolving of plate.
Yeah. Can you see the dissolving copper plate? No. It only dissolve the zinc plate. So answer number 3 is the answer you can get. Clear, children? Number 3. 20th one. Which of the following group of microorganisms cause
Virus.
virus? We know that COVID virus is transmitted using the virus. Polio. Ashwant, what is caused by the polio?
Teacher, your sound is not echo. It's echoing and I cannot hear it clearly.
All right. Now how about it? Is it better?
Yes, teacher.
Now tell me, Ashwant, polio is happens due to what kind of microorganism?
Polio?
Yeah, polio. Don't know?
It's a bacteria?
Wrong. Angela? Polio is happened due to what? Measles? Measles? Sarukshan, measles? Who caused by measles, Sarukshan? අපි කියන්නේ සරම්ප කියලා.
No, teacher, I don't know.
Measles is caused by viruses. Polio also caused by viruses. Okay, children?
I haven't heard this word, teacher.
Measles
I know that.
presentation එකේ දීලා තියෙනවා. I have given it on the presentation as well. Right. So these all for the MCQ questions. So now all count all your right marks and multiply by 2. Count all your right marks and multiply it by 2. Quickly.
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes, Angela.
Miss, can I know the answer again for the 15th one?
Select the feature which is common only for gases. That is number 2, darling. No,
Miss,
definitely.
Miss, and for the 14th one, Miss.
Select instance which the microorganisms are not used. 4th one.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Teacher, I got 18.
You got 80. 1, Nitu.
Teacher, I got 16.
Multiply it by 2.
Teacher.
Nitu.
Yes, teacher.
Multiply it by 2.
Oh, sorry, teacher, I forgot to multiply by 2. Teacher, I got 38. Only one wrong.
Which one?
I got wrong the 9th one, the long duration for the.
What did you?
I put flood.
Flood. Flood. Nang ඉතින් one night වැස්සත් ඇති මේ Ashwant. No.
What, teacher?
One night. No, just you asking.
Teacher, I got 32. Teacher, I got 36.
All right. Good.
Teacher, 32.
Very good. Wait. I just assume Ashwant for particular place. Raining can occur for whole day. For whole day, right? It can have a flood. Right? Just 12 hours, 24 hours is more enough for flood. Get it?
Yes, teacher, for drought, it gets for 4 days or 5 days, right?
Yeah, at least more than the days, like weeks, months. Get it? This is very slow process. Right, Sanaya, what about the marks? Sanaya Q&A.
Teacher, I got 36.
36, very nice. What are the wrong?
The 11th one, then the 14th one.
11th one. 14th one. What do you mark in the 14th one?
The third one.
Causing diseases. Oh my God. Why?
Miss, for the 14th one, it's 4, right?
Wait. 14th one. Select the instance in which microorganisms are not useful. Causing disease. No. Yeah, fourth one. No. It is somewhat doubt, children. Separating fibers, the coconut fiber separation also the microorganisms use. The fourth one is also correct. Producing biogas also correct. Causing diseases වලටත් ඕනේ. Decomposition of fecal matter. Fecal matter. 14th one එක all එකක් ගන්න. If someone got wrong the 14th one හැමෝම හරියක් දාගන්න. හරි? There's some doubt in 14th one. Okay, children?
Okay, teacher.
Right. Now tell me the marks, Nitu.
What, teacher?
Nitum's mark, Nitu?
Teacher,
Yeah,
I got teacher 38.
38. Which is the wrong one? Which
Teacher,
one?
the fifth one.
Fifth one. Ayo, easy ne fifth one. Hari. I hope all got all above 30. All good. Saif, you didn't tell me the marks. Saif, darling, are you there?
Teacher, I got 32, teacher.
Okay, good, Saruksha. Saif, are you there, darling? How about the marks? Out of 40?
28.
28, right. Okay. Now let's move on to the second part. I think someone will finish this one.
Miss, can I tell my mark?
Sorry, darling. Yes, Angela?
Miss, can I tell my mark?
Yeah, sure.
Miss, I got 40.
Oh, you got 40. No, good. Very good.
Teacher, can I tell my mark?
Yeah, tell me, darling. Sakuli?
38.
38. Very good. Sanaya? Now Sanaya also got 38, no?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Now, children, I want you to do the exercise in this thing. The last lesson we did. Please start the question number 3. I only going to give you 10 minutes to finish the question. 3. Can you see the question?
Teacher, only question number 3.
What?
Only question number 3.
Yeah, I'll give the time period for only question number 3. Quickly finish.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher, finish.
Good. Others finish? Quickly.
Done, miss.
Done. Very good. I'll give you 1 minute. Yeah, it looks like 4 has finished, no? Sarukshan, you need more time?
Teacher, I'm in the question before the last question.
All right, okay, finish.
Excuse me, teacher. I can't see.
What, darling? Saif?
I can't see the screen.
All right, wait, I'll share.
ಮದಿನಿ ನಲ್ಲ 6 ರೆಡಿ
I can't see the screen. Excuse me, teacher.
Saif, now can you see the screen? Saif, can you see the screen, darling?
Yes, teacher. Can see, teacher.
Okay, we'll discuss the questions now. Yeah, first question. Who is going to find the answer? Sakuli, can you?
Teacher, can I?
Okay, Ashan, take.
Define the term weather. The condition of the atmosphere prevailing for a short period of time in a certain area is called weather.
Very good. You should have in your answer should have main terms. The one main term is what? Short time period. The other term is what? In a particular area or a specific area. In other term is atmospheric condition. All these three words should be there when you are explaining the weather. Get it, children? All correct?
Yes.
Nitu?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Number 2. Yes, Sakuli. Number 2 answer, please.
Rainfall, speed of wind, direction of wind, temperature.
Very good. These are the main 4 factors which can determine the weather. Yeah, Nitu, third one.
Anemometer. P is anemometer. Q is wind vane.
Very good. Wind vane. P is for what? No, we are going to ask in next question. Yeah, fourth question. What is the fourth question answer, darling?
Obtuse angle, teacher.
Sorry?
Obtuse angle.
Angela, what is the answer you wrote in this question?
Miss, for the fourth one?
Yeah.
Miss, for the fourth one, I wrote 120 degrees.
Very good. Sarukshan, if they are asking the angle, you have to mention it in a degrees. So the angle should be 120 degrees. Okay? Between all these two, you can have the four corners in this anemometer. So one corner has the 120 degree angle. Sarukshan, you get it?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Fifth one. Nitum?
Why is one half of the ball colored with a different color?
Yes,
Teacher,
Nitum. Why you
I don't know the answer for that.
you don't know.
Teacher, can I tell?
Okay, tell Lily.
Because we have to count the rotating times.
Very good. We have to count the rotating, not time. We have to count the rotational round. Right? Rotation to count the rotational round, it's very easy if you are using the different colors for this half of these. Get it, children, all?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, can I do the next one?
Yeah, Nitin, please.
Wait a minute, teacher. If P takes 5 minutes for 50 turns, what is the speed of wind in that place? Give it turns for minutes.
Sorry?
I
What
didn't
is
teach us.
Yeah, what is the answer for that? How you can find the turns per minute in that rotation?
We have teacher 3 turns for our.
Yeah, you have to divide 15 by 3. So then you get the answer as 5. No? You get the answer as?
Teacher,
No.
we have to divide 15 by 5.
Yeah, sorry. 15 by 5. Then you get the answer as 3 turns per minute. Answer is 3 turns per minute. Right, good. Sixth one. Saif, can you please? Not sixth one, darling. Seventh one.
Okay.
Roman number 7, Saif.
The arrow is an instruct headed as given in the diagram. From which direction to which direction goes at the moment.
Yes, Saif. How to write the direction of the wind while looking at this cube?
The wind is the wind is blowing at the west side. It means the direction is going to east.
Sorry, Saif. Can you please tell again?
The wind blows to the one side. The arrow pointed will go up at the opposite side.
Yeah. So what is the direction? East to west or west to east?
West to east.
Children, are you agree with the Saif?
No, teacher, east to west.
East
to west.
East to west.
Right?
East
So
to west, east to west.
Yes, yes. Saif said east to west, no?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Saif answer is correct, Saif. Normally the wind direction flowing is opposite to the arrowhead. So it goes to East to west. Very correct, Saif. Good. Number 8. Who's going
Teacher,
to
can I do
answer?
it? Can I
Sanaya.
do it? Teacher,
Sanaya,
can I do
Sanaya.
it?
No, Sanaya didn't answer anything. Sanaya, please.
Okay, teacher.
Where do the cyclones which affect our country originate mostly? Places
Yeah.
that have low pressure?
Where do the cyclones which affect our country originate mostly? Where? Can you mention the exact position, Sanaya?
Places that have low pressure such as in Jaffna?
There's a name. Can anyone try?
Miss, can I tell? Teacher, can I tell? Can I tell?
Okay, all tell.
Bay of Bengal.
Yeah, Bay of Bengal. So this Bay of Bengal is the Sanaya place where it has the low pressure which nearest to our country. So due to the low pressure of the Bay of Bengal, these cyclones and all affect to our country mostly. Get it, Sanaya?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Right, nice. Now let's move on to another question. The 5th question. There are X, Y, Z like bar magnets, and here we are going to do something. Can you all start to write down?
Yes, teacher. What is the unclear part in that typing thing?
Yeah. X, Y, Z. X, Y, and Z are what is that?
Teacher, can you read the statement under the
Yeah.
3 boxes?
Yeah, I'm going to read it from the above. X, Y, and Z are unidentified bar magnets, iron rod, and I hope it's wooden stick. Hari, X, Y, Z කියන මොනවාද? Unidentified bar magnet එකක්, එහෙම නැත්නම් iron rod එකක්, එහෙම නැත්නම් wooden stick එකක්. We don't know what it is. Get it, children?
Yes, teacher.
Children, did you get it?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes, miss.
තේරුණාද මං කියපු එක? X, Y, and Z are ඒ තුනෙන් එකක් unidentified bar magnet. But another one is iron rod. Another one is wooden stick. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now let's do the next thing. X is not attracted to magnets. X කියන එක කියනවා not attracted to magnets. Y shows what is there? Y shows both attraction and repulsion to magnets. Y shows both attraction and repulsion to magnets. So in the Roman number 1, they are asking about the names of X, Y, Z. Can you find out?
Yes, teacher.
Right, okay, easy one, quickly. It looks like hard, but see, it's very easy.
Teacher, I am doing the coil part, the 3rd question.
Right, okay, good.
Teacher, fifth question finish.
Very good. Others quickly finish.
Done, teacher.
Done. Who need more time?
Finish, teacher.
Okay, then shall we find the answers?
Okay, teacher. Can I do the first one, teacher?
No. First one, I'm going to give Saif. Saif, can you find the answer for first Roman number?
Okay, teacher. For the first one, X is named as a wooden stick.
You are saying X is wooden stick.
Yes, teacher.
X is wooden stick. Right? Why?
Because it says, teacher, X is not attracted to magnets.
Yeah. So X is, you are saying wooden stick, no?
Yes, teacher.
Alright. Y is what?
Because it's not attracted to magnets.
Yeah, very correct. X is wooden stick. That is right. Tell me what is Y? Who's Y? Y is unidentified bar magnet. Right?
Yes, teacher.
Unidentified bar magnet. What is Z then?
Iron rod.
Iron rod.
Iron rod.
Right. We now know all these three things. Okay. Now we know. Now we have to go for the other things. Now it's easy. Number 2. Angela.
What could be observed when Y and Z are brought closer to each other?
Now instead of Y and Z, shall we use their names, Angela? Who's Y?
Miss Y is the iron rod.
Iron rod. Y is iron rod. The
Body is a bar magnet.
Y is bar magnet, Angela, right? Y is bar magnet and Z is iron rod. So they are asking in the second one, Angela, what could be observed when the bar magnet and the iron rod brought closely to each other? What can you write, Angela?
Miss, it could either attract or it could repel.
Yeah, good answer, someone. Others, what do you think? Others, what do you think?
Teacher, wrong because
the Z is a iron rod and the Y is a bar magnet. So magnet always attracts iron rod, not repels.
Right. That's what I need from you children. This effect is not another bow magnet, no, Angela. So if that's so, it can have the repulsion or attraction like both effects. But the iron rod is a magnetic material. So magnetic materials always go and binds with the magnets. So the effect will attracts towards the bar magnet. Get it, Angela? Yeah, I hope get it. Others, what do you think? You all get it?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, can I?
Sakuli? Sakuli, you get it, darling?
Yes, teacher.
Right, good. Yeah, third one, Nitum.
Teacher, third one. What could be observed in each? Why moved in? Teacher, can I tell the answer?
Yeah, please.
When Y is rotating inside the coil, the galvanometer point is moving. But in Z, when Z is moving inside the coil, the galvanometer doesn't shows anything.
Anything. Children, are you all agree with the Nitum's answer?
Yes, miss.
You all agree? Yeah, because why? In the galvanometer, children, the coil has somewhat light. It travels what? It travels electricity. So when the magnetic field touch that and cut that electricity point, so galvanometer shows some reflections due to the quick transmission of the electricity. But Z is a magnetic material like iron rod. So that is not a magnetic material. In iron rod we cannot have the magnetic material. So when you are moving the Z in the coil, there's no reflection in the galvanometer thing. Get it? That's good, Nitum. Yeah, let's move on to the fourth one, children. Sanaya? Fourth one.
What could be observed when X is moved inside the coil? The galvanometer will deflect.
What could be observed when X is moved inside the coil? What is X? Tell me first, Sanaya. What is X?
X
What is X?
wooden stick.
Yeah, X is wooden stick. If something happened when wooden stick going through the coil?
No.
No, nothing.
No reaction.
No reaction, no reflection of the galvanometer point, right? Those are the answers. Is it clear, Sanaya, now?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Next thing. Sakuli, did you find the answer for us? Any answer? Sakuli answer ka කිව්වද මේ question එකේ? I couldn't remember, darling. No, ne?
No, teacher.
Yeah. Next question is for you, darling. Sakuli, next question. Sixth one.
Draw two shapes of magnet.
Yeah.
Two shapes of magnets and name them.
And name that one. Yeah, Sakuli, you have to show me now. What did you draw? Okay, you have drawn like U-shaped. It's not that much clear. U-shaped කැඳලා තියෙනවා. What is the other thing? Tabular magnet, no? Tabular magnet. Very good. Very good. Tabular and U-shape. U magnet. Right, well done. Okay, thank you, Sakuli. Nitum, your mic is muted. What? Okay, Nitum also horseshoe magnet and ring magnet. Very good. Right. That is what you have done. Nice. So let's move on to the next question. Please read someone.
Teacher, we can't see the screen.
Nitum, please read the question. You have the paper now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
What are the forces created were like poles and unlike poles of two magnets are brought closer to each other?
Very good. Now tell me, Sarukshan, when like poles get together, what can you see as the reaction when like poles get together?
Repulsion.
Repulsion. Very nice. Saif, now tell me, when unlike poles get together or get closer, what is there? What can you see?
Repulsion.
When unlike poles, darling, that means north to south or south to north. Unlike poles always attract, right? Attract. Very good.
Is it I told it repulse because I heard it like light.
Right, okay. Nitum, what is the next question?
Teacher, the last question, teacher. Write an instance in which magnets are used in day-to-day life.
Yeah, this is very known questions and this is very common questions which given in your exams. Right, we'll ask from Angela.
Teacher, can I tell one?
Okay, Nitumut එකක් කියන්න.
To find direction.
To find directions, very good. Angela?
Miss, in a chessboard.
In chessboards, good. Ashwant?
In motors.
In motors, yeah, motors, yeah. Sanaya?
In refrigerator doors.
In refrigerator doors, good. Saif? Saif, yeah?
In a
Yes, Dad.
refrigerator.
Sorry?
Refrigerator.
In refrigerator doors, yeah. You can write many applications in using these magnets. So we have already done 20 MCQs and 2 main questions. As a homework, you all have to do the other 4 questions. Can you all do?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
On next day, we are going to discuss that 4 questions with the previous questions.